5 Best Dehumidifiers. Here is the product number 5. INVITOP Portable Dehumidifier Moisture Absorber Mini Air Dehumidifier. Efficiently humidity control, dry air. Silent, portable and compact dehumidifier efficiently removes damp, mold and moisture from the air. Perfect for use in small areas such as the kitchen, wardrobe, storage rooms, bedroom, living room, office or anywhere else prone to damp air. This compact and portable design make it easy to move your dehumidifier from room to room. Here is the product number 4. 25W Mini Ultra Quiet Home Dehumidifier Mini Air Dryer. Name, Dehumidifier Model CM800. Material, ABS plastic. Input voltage 220 volts to 240 volts/50 Hz. Output voltage DC 9V. Power 25 watts. Desiccant 200 to 300 milliliters/24 hours. Color, black and red. Water tank capacity 500 ml. Here is the product number 3. Excelvan 500 milliliters Home Air Dehumidifier Semiconductor Desiccant Moisture. Water-filled automatic standby. Please pour the water. Application area, 10-20 square meters. It supports portable. Energy saving, no worry using too much electricity. Easy to operate, connect power, touch power to work. Intelligent dehumidification. Water max capacity, 500 ml. Here is the product number 2. INVITOP Mini Dehumidifier for Home Portable 500 ml Moisture. Auto off and LED indicator when full. The dehumidifier will shut off automatically once it has reached capacity. Absorbs moisture up to 250 milliliters, day, and 500 milliliters water tank capacity with removable tray. One on, off button. No noise device, uses a natural process, easy to use. Here is the product number 1. Excelvan Dehumidifier Air Dryer 22 watts 500 ml 110 to 240 volts compatible. Connect power. Switch the dehumidifier on using the on/off switch. The green LED will be green and you feel a light breeze from the dry air limit. Switch off, press the on/off button again. When water in the tank is full, the full indicator is yellow. When water in the tank is full, you can remove the water displacement hole from the tank, then pour the water. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.